Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech.
What's in the box?
Today we have a Whitestone dome screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. That's right, it has been long awaited. There have not been a lot of these available. They are free flowing as we speak, so do not delay. By the end of this video, head down to the description, grab the link I'm providing you for easy access, and get yourself an amazing tempered glass screen protector by Whitestone Dome. Boom. Now, what we have today is the actual screen protector for the Whitestone Dome on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 and this little guy. As you can see, this is the screen protector for the actual glass on the back of this device, which is for the camera. Because I don't know if you've noticed, but there's been a report or two of the actual glass on the camera breaking. In the event you are not rocking a case, it could be pretty easy to go ahead and crack that. This is going to prevent that devastation in your life, because if you love your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 as much as I do, you want to protect it and you don't want anything to happen to it. Here is our cooker, also known as the UV light, and these are all of the goodies. What we've got is our tray, our actual glass screen protector. We have our little pull tab. We've got our glue and our bridge. We've got an assortment of little wipe pads, which I always bring extra. We have our sticker and we have our little protective stickers that go around the foam where glue could potentially seep into the foam and cause an issue. They give you a sticker to protect it. First, we have to remove the pre-installed screen protector. Something that I've kind of been a little like, I don't want to, but I know that I need to. I have a little corner here that I want to just kind of grab it with. So that actually came off pretty easy. So if you've been out there in the world and you've got anxiety about this screen protector coming off, it just came off. And I'm gonna be honest, the phone looks a little bit better. So first and foremost, we're going to clean our phone with the wipes. Now I'm gonna try to break this down for you guys in 10 super duper easy steps. This is obviously removing the screen protector is step 1. Step 2 is cleaning your phone, which entails the wipes, the cloth, and then the sticker. So are you satisfied? As I'm satisfied, that is clean. But even though we don't see anything, we're gonna do the sticker because they included it and we don't want to miss anything. And I'm old, which means my eyes aren't as good as they used to be. So what we need to do is use our stickers for our little protection spots. So that way our device's orifices, if you will, are not exposed and protected. Next, we're gonna go ahead and insert this into the tray. Now pay attention, at the top it actually says speaker. So it's giving you instructions on what to do with this. So at this stage of the game, we only have a few different elements left to work with. We now have our top tray on top. Now, Whitestone Dome is basically improving this installation every single time. Now with this one, they now have the pads pre-installed to help absorb the glue, which I think is amazing. Anything to make our life easier. So we're gonna put the tray on top with the pads pre-installed. And next we're going to insert our pull tab. Pull tab. Now we're going to take the bridge and install the bridgey bridge. And they give us 2 glues in case we make a boo-boo, we can fix it. Here is the actual glass for your viewing enjoyment. Here it is. We're going to install our glue. Purple tip comes off first. So I'm going to undo that and it's going to spread out right there. So take a look. Come over here, remove this side, knowing that this is the back side for the adhesive, and that just gently rests right there. We're gonna take this and just tilt it down a little bit, and we're gonna move the adhesive till it gets to about the middle. There we go, it's going. See, it's moving. Okay, we're about in the middle, and we're gonna pull the tab and it's gonna drop it down. Watch as that happens right here. Wow. guys see that effect, how it just went everywhere? It's actually going really well. This is probably the best movement of the glue I have ever seen. So Whitestone Dome, did you improve the formula? Did you give me a little bit extra in there? I've always requested, you should just put a little bit extra glue in there. Just a little bit, not a lot. Just give us a little bit to make sure that we get covered all over the place. 15 seconds. Now we're gonna take it out and we're going to clean the edges. Now this should be in place. It's not going to move, guys. Any excess glue on the sides is going to wipe off with the alcohol pads, so don't worry about any excess glue anywhere. We're now going to hit the button twice to give us 60 seconds. Flawless install, guys. Absolutely flawless. It feels 100 times better to touch my phone with the Whitestone Dome versus that sticky, icky pre-installed screen protector. So thank you, Whitestone Dome. Now we're gonna go ahead and just jump right over to the back of this. This one's gonna be pretty quick, so don't go anywhere because I don't want you to miss this. So this is a new product for me, so give me a second while I acclimate. We have two different protectors, alcohol swab, our terry cloth, and our instructions. First and foremost, wipe camera lens with cloth. This little guy's gonna go right there. So you peel the back off, that's where the adhesive is, and it just goes on the back of it. It's pretty flawless too. We've got flawless front and back protection. Now, if we only could do something about the middle of this device. So that's a video for another day. Guys, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching this video. It has been a long time coming. I feel amazing. I'm happy. I'm excited that I finally have a Whitestone Dome screen protector on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 because this is a $2,000 device and I now have the front and the back protected. Thanks a lot, guys. Links in the description. For the love of tech, till next time. Namaste.